Hello everyone, you're welcome to Ginasilaskitchen. Today I'll be unboxing my new vegetable cutter, my new kitchen utensils, and my manual blender. Okay. This. I need to mix your dough. The blades are very sharp, so in case you forget it, and actually be very careful with this. The blades are very sharp. So open it. I need to mix your egg so that you could be using your wisdom to break your egg inside, add your pepper and your seasoning. And for the blades are very sharp to get roughly blended pepper, onion and tomato. I'm washing the vegetable container. This is what I got. This to hold your potatoes if you want to make potato chips. So this tiny stuff is to remove when you want to wash it. You quickly remove whatever particles of vegetable that is left on it. So whatever shape you can use to cut your potato. If you want this square shape, this egg yolk separator. If you want to make plantain shapes or potato shapes, you can use it to cut it. So peel your yam and your potatoes. There are different parts. This for your carrots when you want to make salad. This for your okra. The pattern cutting. Can you use it to cut your yam? If you have this flower shape, this is the basket that came with it, right? So this is my last unboxing. I got the black color. A friend of mine actually said she likes this color, but I didn't even bother. Just got stuff. When I got to that, when I realized I got black. I don't really mind. Any color is fine. Black doesn't select. Oh, came with a shopping board. Oh, the new shopping board. This is the shopping board. This is the knife set. Came with the scissors also. These are very sharp. When you get any of this, you need to be very careful. These are the spoon set and spatula sets. Just a few and all this. If you have a non-stick pot, it's very important for you to get a silicone utensils. So this is very good to use in your non-stick pot and also in your granite pot. Now if you use a stainless spoon on it, is going to make the pot to get spoiled on time. So these are the beautiful things I got so that my pot can last me for a very long time. Came with this egg mix and brush for baking. Thank you so much for watching. I need to start my video. Bye.